Hey dolls, so I am back. So I'm coming to do a Temu video for you dolls. This is going to be a fashion video. I've never worked with them before, but I'm pretty sure y'all have heard about them because they have been all over like TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, all of that. So stay tuned if y'all want to see what pieces I got. Okay, so to start off with, since these are not like items I can try on, I'm going to show you. This is the little bag. I got a couple of these little wallet type things, or like, I guess you could keep your change in here, but I got them for my daughter as like a little wallet so she can keep her money in here, or she could put like her lip gloss or something and it will fit inside of her small purses. This one is a little unicorn. As you can see, it's really cute for change and stuff too. It has a zipper and yeah, it has a nice opening. And then I also got her another one in a different color. So this one is like pink and purple, and then this one is more like pink, yellow, kind of bluish. So let me just show you both of them. And this one, the horn is kind of bent down, but yeah, so these are the two. I just got both because I was like, well, she can have them and they'll be good to like throw in her purse, and she can put her little money or her little lip gloss or whatever. So I got those. I also got this necklace. I don't remember picking this one. I really cannot remember, y'all. I probably did, but it's like a layered gold necklace. It's kind of a little twisted up, but if you can see, there's like a safety pin. There's a lock, and then there's like some different size chains, and oh, they are all separate, so you can wear them individually or you can stack them together. They aren't connected where you have to wear all of them, but I just picked this up. It's a nice gold color too. It's not like too yellowy gold. Also, all of the bags that the clothes come in are like this. They're different sizes. All of them aren't this big. But the bags are quite nice, and you could definitely reuse this if you need it for something. But yeah, that's how the bags look. Did get this pair of shoes. They are basically kind of like an UGG dupe, but they don't have the branding on it. So yeah, I just thought that these were cute to wear around the house. The bottom is hard, so you could wear it out. It kind of has like that print of UGG, but it doesn't say the actual name on it anywhere. And they're kind of like, you know, the little platform slide-ons with the fur. So yeah, this is how they look. I will try them on. I don't have anything that matches these because some of the items that I picked didn't come, but yeah, I'll try these on so I can show y'all how they look. Okay, so this is the first pair of pants. Y'all probably can't see the top of my head, but I'll fix it in a minute. I just want y'all to see the pants. These are some cargo pants. I didn't pick this color. I'm pretty sure I picked black, but this is like a cream kind of color. They fit really well. I think I got these in a medium. I will list it down below for y'all, but they do fit nice, but I just don't know what the heck I will wear this with, because this isn't really like a color of pants that I normally wear. Like, I definitely could do something with them, but I did want these in black. So there are two pockets here. You have your regular pockets. There's this little thing because it's like carpenter pants, and then you have your pockets on the back, and the bottom is a nice length, but they're good, you know, because I'm short. They aren't too long, so I don't think that they would really be for like somebody who is super tall. These are cute, just not the color I wanted. I'm gonna get up here so y'all can see them better. They fit nice though, and they do have stretch. So these are the pants. Then next I got this super cute cargo skirt. It fits nice. I think I got this in a medium. I will list all the sizes down below that I got along with my measurements. I'm going to get up here so y'all can see. So I can use the little bungee to tighten up the pocket, and then it has like a little flap on top, and then you have the little bungee thing here, some little pockets, And then of course on this side as well, string, and pull it to tighten it up, and then just flap the pocket. The pocket doesn't actually snap into place. So yeah, it doesn't have any pockets on the back, just on the front and the sides. Here's the skirt. It is cute. It is different for me, but I feel like I definitely could do something with it. Even also in the summer with like a really cute top and some sandals. Or I could also pull it off now with like, you know, something long sleeve. Put it with some boots or whatever. And I feel like the skirt fits nice because it's kind of fitted here. But then it is also loose at the same time. And it also has this little D-ring. So yeah, this is just super cute. I think this is the only color that it came in, but I do like this color because it's more of like a traditional khaki kind of color versus those pants are more cream whitish. So yeah, I'm sorry if the camera is crooked. Let me show y'all the next one. Okay, so this next one is a two-piece set. This is super cute, really cute for the summertime. Definitely could see myself wearing this with some really cute sandals and a cute bag. The skirt is kind of long, of course, because I am short. Trying to see if y'all can see. The skirt is long, like super long. But I would probably still wear it with like some flatter sandals. The only thing that I would say about this is like where they put this hem is kind of in a weird spot, unless you wanted to wear the skirt more low, or maybe if you are smaller. But it's just like kind of bunching here, and then it's like a little tight in this area. So I was trying to like play around with it to see what's the best placement for it. But the skirt and the top is super cute, and I love orange for the summertime, of course. But the way that this hem sits and it's more tight, like it's flattering, but it's not the most flattering. So yeah, this is cute. This is the back. The shirt has like some ruffles. Sorry, I didn't change bras for the video, but yeah, super cute. Really like this one, and so far all of the quality is bomb, like amazing. Okay, next up I got this slip dress. This one doesn't have sleeves. If y'all remember, I showed y'all some other ones that had sleeves. This fits amazing, really good quality. I don't know how the Skims ones feel, but this is probably a dupe. Really good material. It's just like a cotton. It isn't ribbed, and it's not like super like cinching, like it's not pulling me in or anything, but it is a nice material. And it does go all the way down. Let me show y'all. It does go all the way down, and I am short, so tall girl friendly. Yes, this is super cute. I definitely could see myself throwing this on in the summer with some sandals, or you could definitely still wear this now and do some type of shoe and then put like a cardigan. So I'm going to show y'all with a cardigan because I got a cardigan to go with something else. So I'm just going to show y'all. Wear this cardigan with a lot of different things. But yeah, I'm just going to put it on so y'all can see. Like, this is really cute. It's giving casual, cozy, grown woman. Like, I love this. So this is really nice. But it would also be really cute with like a shorter dress that, you know, falls shorter than the cardigan. Because this cardigan is quite long, but it's really cute, and y'all know I love pink. So yeah, I really like this, and you could do a lot with this cardigan. The quality is really nice, and it's nice and thick. And yeah, real cute. I wish I could see the whole thing. Let me see. This is how it would look with this dress. It might look kind of crazy with me standing up here, but like looking in the mirror, it actually does look cute. I don't know what shoes I would pair with it if I were to wear it together with this, but it would probably be like some cute furry slippers or something like that, like something super cozy, like to lounge in or whatever. But yeah, this is super cute. I'm going to show you the other item that I got that I could wear with this cardigan as well. But of course, you can style this many different ways, and it's super nice and good quality. So let me show y'all. Next one is a romper. And it's just really basic. The leg area is a little tighter than what I would like, but it does hold on at the same time. So I know it's not going to like ride up a lot because it's kind of like holding on to my legs. It is a halter with the back out. Sorry about my bra, but yeah, this is just super cute to chill in, super cute to wear in the summer, but it's also cute to pair with the cardigan. So once again, gonna put this on, and you could just see how that just like, it makes it look a lot more dressy. And then you could do some boots with it or whatever to dress it up. If you want to dress it down, you could do like some Uggs or something. Sorry, it's a string on here, but yeah, if you want to do something to dress it down, you could do like some Uggs, would be really cute. And then it's like still put together, sexy but cozy. Or you could do like some heeled type of boots if you wanted to dress this up. But yeah, or you could also put this cardigan with a full jumpsuit. I just picked up this because I knew I could probably just wear it around the house, so not really to dress it up, but y'all get the vibe, right? So yeah, that pretty much concludes everything. Let me show y'all the slippers before I forget. All right, so here are the slippers. I'm gonna put them on, and I'm gonna stand up here so y'all can see. This is how they look on me. These also came in black as well, but I just got like this neutral color because I have a lot of black slippers and stuff. So I was like, let me just get these neutral ones. And I know I had picked out some stuff that I could have styled it with for y'all, but they didn't send everything. So yeah, this is all of the items that I have. This is nice and cozy, and thank you Temu for sending me these items. So yeah, that's it. Stay tuned for the outro of the video. Also, really quickly, this is just a look at the website, just showing you some different things that they offer. You can also download the app as well if you prefer to shop that way. So I'm just showing you a quick little glimpse of some of the things that they carry. They carry a lot of different stuff: clothes, jewelry, shoes, nail stuff, makeup, all kinds of stuff. So really anything, whatever you're looking for, just search on the website, and I'm pretty sure you will find something that you are interested in, because they have so much stuff on the site and great prices. So definitely check out Temu if y'all are interested in any of the items that I have showed y'all, or if you just caught a glimpse of something that maybe you're interested in, you can definitely check that out as well. They also have costumes, like y'all see that they have everything. Like, check out the website and stay tuned for the outro. Okay, y'all, so this pretty much wraps up my video. Let me know what you think down below of these items that I picked out, what you think about the quality, what you think about the website overall. If you have purchased anything, they have a lot of stuff on their website, so definitely check them out. And if you have any questions, leave them down below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, dolls.